Prevent lightning damage. Thunder is that sound in the sky that is all too familiar. Do you know how to protect yourself from that pesky lightning? More than 400 people are struck by lightning each year. The good news is that most occurrences can be avoided with a few simple precautions. Summer brings baseball, soccer, boating, golf, and other outdoor recreation. Plus increased thunderstorm and lightning. Because most lightning damage, deaths and injuries occur outdoors, this is a good time to review lightning safety guidelines, especially if you coach a team or are responsible for the safety of participants and spectators. Awareness. All coaches and officials to be aware of extreme weather conditions, including lightning, and to postpone or cancel games if conditions worsen and players are at risk. Prior to any practice or activity, the person in charge should check the local weather forecasts, recognize the signs of a coming storm and have established protocols for emergency action plan. The 30-30 rule. Familiarize yourself with the flash-to-bang count to determine when to seek shelter. Right time to suspend events. In general, a significant lightning damage extends outward from the base of a thunderstorm cloud about 6 to 10 miles. It's important to account for the time it will take for everyone to get to safety. When deciding when to suspend play, take into consideration the size of the crowd needing to be evacuated. It's critical that a dependable method of communication is available during activity to allow for timely notifications of severe weather, evacuation instructions and information on designated safe locations. Criteria for a safe return. Wait at least 30 minutes after the last clap of thunder before leaving shelter. The threat of lightning continues for a much longer period than some people realize. Even if you see sunshine or a blue sky, you may still be at risk. Safe locations. Sturdy building. Once inside, stay away from windows and doors and anything that conducts electricity such as corded phones, wiring, plumbing, and anything connected to these. A vehicle with a metal roof and closed windows is another reasonable alternative. Unsafe locations. No place outside is safe from lightning damage. The best approach is to avert lightning strikes to your business by installing a lightning protection system by LEC. Then you can focus on doing business instead of getting back into business. Contact details. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email: info@lecglobal.com. Website: www.lightningprotection.com. Contact number: 303-447-2828. LinkedIn: www.linkedin.com web link. Facebook: www.facebook.com web link.